So let's dive in a little deeper. Looked at what's in the box briefly, but let's take a look at the camera a little closer so you can see what's going on here. We've got the aviation connector, which is waterproof. You can connect one of your cables depending on the configuration you're choosing. There's a power indicator, gives you some specs, part number, the lens, and these are the 6 mounting bolt holes. On the bottom side is the vent. Always orient the camera this way so it can give you the right orientation on the screen. The standard cable that comes with it is this 30-foot. And as I said, these 2 connections are waterproof and screw together to keep it protected from the elements. You would then run this cable, gives you about 36 foot total with this, straight to your HDVO or DL18, plug right into your camera ports 1 through 4, and then your power and ground supply for the camera. So if for some reason this cable's not quite long enough, you got a long run to get up into your truck, you can opt out of that 30-foot cable, go with the 55-foot. Essentially the exact same cable, just longer, 25 foot longer. So this would give you 61 feet to get from the camera to your HDVO. Plugs right in there, and then your power source obviously also. And then a closer look at this cable. It's a little different on the B and C end. Instead of the male, they call this because the pin is male. This is a female side, which is typically what an old camera would have sticking out the back of it. So it would act just like your camera would, and the cable that's existing would connect right onto there, and that would go to your HDVO. You'd plug this power and ground to the same supply that your previous camera was using, and then hook your whip just like so. And now you've got a retrofit option that doesn't have as much cable to get in your way. So this is your new camera to play around with. As long as you got the latest generic update, you can use our auto zoom and touch zoom, touch focus, autofocus widget that we have available. So, all right, enjoy.